got 1 fucking truck, 2 fucking trucks, 3 fucking trucks, and a 4th fucking truck in there we gotta unload. Son of a bitch. They moving fucking houses over here. 2 men, get this shit straight, guys. Look at that customer trying to be nosy. Bitch ass dude, get the fuck away from the truck, cuz. When you ain't got no gas and there ain't no gas station in sight. What we gonna do, Turner?
We're gonna get fucked, so we're gonna do.
We gonna die.
100% sure this truck is heavier than that motherfucker.
I don't think we're gonna make it up this fucking hill. Yeah, fuck all this shit. You hear me? Fuck it all. Throw it. Oh shit. For all those times customers talking crap. Get it, Kyle. Get it. Ah. Oops.